if it hasn't been real since I got monetized, now shit just got real, guys. Please don't skip ads, watch ads in my videos. I didn't want a situation whereby maybe when they come, like the delivery guy comes back home, comes to the house and they are booking the compound, you say, ah, I don't know, they stay here again. Oh, she don't travel. In fact, she don't even marry, she don't even go Canada. I didn't want that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and we are back with another video. So today's video, just as the title says, you guys could tell from my excitement. Oh good. Guys, so my AdSense pin came. If you have seen my video where I mentioned that I got like a notification on my YouTube dashboard, or I got an email saying I should go and check my AdSense account and put in the details, you guys would have known that I got that message on the 17th of May. If you're seeing my face for the first time and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Join the growing family, subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, turn on the bell so you don't miss any new video whenever it goes live on my channel. And if you're an OG, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys are the real MVPs. You guys are the best. Shout out to all of you. I love you all, and welcome to the new members of my family. So I haven't been checking the mail. I think the last time I checked the mail was on Monday, because I was expecting was it Monday? No, not Monday, last week. Yeah, last weekend, because I was expecting things I was going to use for my hair. I don't know when that video is going to go up, the video of how I was able to make this hair, but that was the last time I checked the mailbox. So something just told me to check the mailbox, because I stepped out yesterday, that was on Friday, and today is June 6th. So I don't know when the mail got to my mailbox. But something that reminded me, I think I saw like the mail van moving, and it just occurred to me that, oh, I was supposed to check this mailbox 2 days ago, but I did not check it. So I went to the mailbox and I saw this. My god, I was too excited. Like, I was really excited. Guys, the sun is really messing with me and I'm just angry. So as I was saying, I was really excited when I found this in the mail. And for people who know, well, I didn't really tell anybody, but for my close YouTube friends who knew, guys, the sun is messing with me. I'm not going to keep increasing my ISO and decreasing it, so just take it as it is. So for people, for my close YouTube friends that know, I was really worried that my AdSense pin won't get to me, because I've heard a lot of stories about people changing their addresses back and forth, and the AdSense pin takes years for it to get to them. So for me, the AdSense account associated with my YouTube channel was, I think I did just like if you have seen my monetization video, you would have heard that I opened my AdSense account in 2017, and I linked my AdSense account to my YouTube channel at about 2017 as well. So I realized that, no, as I was getting closer to monetization, I think that was in February, I realized that the address I had there was a Nigerian address. And you guys know I no longer live in Nigeria, I now live in Canada, and I have been looking for ways to change my address on my AdSense, and it's impossible. Trust me, it's impossible to change your address on AdSense. But I heard for some countries you can actually change your address for some countries, but for Nigeria it was very, very impossible to change it. I did a lot of Google research, I researched, I watched videos, nobody was giving me answers, till one day I just stumbled upon I even tried to open a new AdSense account, and linking it to my YouTube channel was even difficult, was even worse. So I was even worried that I had ruined things in my, like, I had ruined things. Like, if I get monetized, there's every possibility and probability that I may not even get my money. So I just let it slide, and I went back to, because I deactivated the old account, I went back to activate it and left it there. I was like, okay, when monetization comes, I don't know, maybe God is going to give me clarity. But that was what happened. So monetization came, and I still left the AdSense account. But like after 3 days, I just said, let me just open a new AdSense account, and I went to Google again to do my research, and I read that you can unlink your AdSense account, because before there was no option for me to unlink it from my YouTube channel. So I read that you can unlink it and link back a new one. So that was what I did. I went unlinked the old account. I was still worried, that so that Google will not feel like I'm a fraud. One minute you got monetized, the next minute you're changing your AdSense account. You know, that was how I felt, and that was what I had in my head. But I quickly opened a new email address, which was actually the wrongest decision ever. I should have just used one of my email addresses, you know, and opened a new AdSense account with it. But nevertheless, so I opened a new email address and I used that email address to launch a new AdSense account, and luckily for me, I was able to link it back to my YouTube channel. That was how I was able to get that notification I showed you guys in that video. And today I have my AdSense pin. So thankfully it came roughly 2 weeks, give or take. It came roughly 2 weeks because I missed all my worries, and you know, number two, I didn't even want to start bothering my mom, or I didn't want a situation whereby maybe when they come, like the delivery guy comes back home, comes to the house, and they are booking the compound, you say, ah, I don't know they stay here again. No, she don't travel. In fact, she don't even marry, she don't even go Canada. I didn't want that. So that was why I was so, you know, up and about. Like I was fighting so hard to try to get a new AdSense account with my current address in it. So guys, I'm also going to be showing you guys how to input your PIN into your Google AdSense account, and I have gotten a lot of questions since I, you know, mentioned that my AdSense PIN had gotten to me. You know, I announced it on my WhatsApp status, and the truth of the matter is, without this PIN you cannot get paid on YouTube. So this PIN, they're not going to send you this PIN via email, they're not going to send you this PIN via fax, they're not going to send you this PIN via a text message. They're going to send you this PIN to your address. So when you're signing up for Google AdSense, ensure that your address is correct. If you're using a PO box, ensure the PO box is correct. If you're using postal code, ensure your postal code is correct, so that when Google sends out the parcel containing your PIN, it's going to get to your address or your nearest, you know, post office. So without that PIN is supposed to help you verify that you are not a robot, you're a human being. And I know some people may ask, why not email in 2020 when people are doing things, you know, with the internet, and people are, you know, trying to automate things. Yeah, Google wants to be sure that you're a human being and they're paying the money to a human being and not to a robot. Google wants to verify your other information, so you have to verify your address, you have to put in your bank details for payments if you want a direct transfer. If you don't want a direct transfer, you feel check is okay for you, you also need to put in that option as well. Google also wants to verify your identity, so you might need to bring up any identity, maybe your international passport or your PR card or your citizenship card or your, I don't know, any government identity anyway. So you may need to do that, and ensure that whatever name you use to open your AdSense account has to be the same name on your government issued ID, because if your YouTube channel is Sexy Bunny, the name on your government ID is Sarah Combs or Tasha Combs, there is no way your verification will go on smoothly. I don't know if anybody has verified with a different name and a different name on the government ID. Please let me know in the comment section below, but I think it's only ideal and sensible for you to use almost the same name that tallies with your government issued ID, so there's no form of. So guys, without much further ado, let's get into the second part of the video where I show you how to input your PIN into your Google AdSense account. Okay, so in the PIN, it actually has different steps you're supposed to take, like about 4 steps you're supposed to do to be able to put in your PIN into your AdSense account. And hey guys, so I'm just going to take you guys to my screen, and yeah, so I'm going to be opening my AdSense account, and if you guys can see here, you would see that this information is still here, but from the Google AdSense PIN envelope that came, it says sign into your AdSense account with your email address and password you used during the application process. Click on the gear icon and select payments. Then step 3 is in the left navigation bar, click account information, then click verify address. So but I already have the pop-up. The pop-up is still here. I did not, minimize it or exit it. So I'm just going to click on verify right now, and I'm going to put in my pin. Hey guys, so I'm just going to enter my pin now. I think the pin, like, it says you have only 3 attempts, so I'm going to put in my pin now, and yeah. So it says your pin has been successfully put in. I really can't read what is there. I'm just doing a voiceover, and I think that's pretty much. So guys, this is very real. If you have been skipping my ads, please, 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 I am honestly, seriously pleading and begging you, please don't skip ads when you watch my videos. This is real now, guys. If it hasn't been real since I got monetized, now shit just got real, guys. Please don't skip ads. Watch ads in my videos and try to watch my videos. I'm going to try my possible best to ensure that I give you guys juicy content, engaging content that you're going to sit back, relax, enjoy from the beginning of the video till the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, to give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead, guys. Mwah. Bye.